Hi, welcome back. So today we're going to do a different figure. Um, Actually, give me a second. I need to grab something that I've misplaced. I thought I had everything ready. I apologize. My box of human figures here. Again, I like to mess with them. You know what? Just so you all know, this is my box of Masters of the Universe Origins figures. This is what I keep them in. It includes my Revelations figures, because I take them out and I like to mess with them. I'll put them in different poses and stuff. I have different ones. I actually have two for the Star Wars figures, because I have so many. Downstairs I have, an entire basement set up. A lot of it still needs to be put together after I move. Well, honestly, I am not the most highly motivated individual in the world, and I do things at what can generously be classified as at my own pace. Having said that, I'm sitting around trying to find the little blast effect, because that's what I was looking for. I'm probably just going to cut all that out. Although, I'm lazy, I may not. Just take me another minute. Looking. It's gotta be here somewhere. Come on, stupid blast effect, where are you? Take it out of my box, I don't think it's shot off anywhere. Well, I wouldn't be surprised. Here we go. Perfect. Alright. Actually, you know what? To make up for it, I'm going to make this one a 30 or 4. I can get everything all set up for a couple more things. Hi, welcome back. Drop me a line. Would love to hear from you. This is probably the last time you'll see that piece of paper. This buddy of mine, Brent, over at Adventure Time RC, has been, along with several of my other friends, have been giving me advice on the videos I've been doing. I would love to hear your advice as well. Please hit like, subscribe, drop me a line in the comments. Let me know what you think. So we're going to do a different Masters of the Universe Origins figure. It will be this one. This is Flamor, the Mystic... No, I'm kidding. It's actually a blast effect for the Battle Ram Sky Sled. I do hope they eventually release an entire Battle Ram, because the Battle Ram is far and away my favorite vehicle from this line. But Battle Ram came with Prince Adam and a couple of accessories. So Prince Adam came with the pink sword, the same as the vintage one, and he has the same articulation as everything. The original Origins head, not the vintage style head, but everything is on a ball joint, the swivel, so it all wobbles or bends and articulates and poses, and you can pop everything out. And at some point I'll show you one of the ones I did. I really like the way Faker and Keldor went together. I do wish I could get Trapjaw to look a little bit better when I combine them with Cronus, because there are parts of each I would have liked to have changed. Basically, I want Trapjaw's arm on Cronus's body, and Trapjaw's head, but I don't think the head's removable. So usually, Prince Adam is sitting there looking kind of like this on my shelf. And that's basically the way it is, too. The sword falls off every third breath. I do wish that they had made a little holder in his vest for the sword to go, or a little place I could mount it on the Sky Sled. Maybe a little weapon holder or something would have been nice. It's not like I could just slide it in between the jets. But not a bad version. So it came with this little stand, so it looks like it's flying, sort of, and I'm not real sure whether it's supposed to go like this. And once you get to a certain point, the weight of the figure will drop it down further. But he's got the blast effect for the cannon. It just pops off. It doesn't actually shoot. And after that, you can just pop the should pop out. It used to pop out. Something's going on. It doesn't snap anymore. I think I might have finally stuck it on there for good. Huh. I thought that would come out. It used to. Anyhow, there are a couple of different options for the Sky Sled. You have the Griffin good guy head, and then it came with the bad guy head on it, and as you can see, the cannon pivots. I don't like the bad guy head, never really did. So I basically give it the Griffin head. I like the good guy Sky Sled, but you can make a good guy Sky Sled or a bad guy Sky Sled. And along with that, the side panels pop out. Now, I leave the green side panels in because I believe those are the good guy ones. But you can also change it very quickly and easily for the bad guy panels to just slide in. Swap the head out again. And you have bad guy Sled, and you can, I don't know, for example, get Beastman to drive it. Although if Beastman's driving, who knows how it's going to get wrecked. I mean, end up, because Lord knows Beastman is the smartest man in the universe. I'm sure it would be something like this, and he'd wonder why it keeps going down. But so, along with the really neat sculpting on it, the posing cannon that you can pivot, the removable panels, and I'm going to take a second here and swap back to the way I usually have it, but there's just these little notches right here at the tops that you can pop the panels out, and then pop the new ones back in. Quick, quick, quick. Very easy to do. There's little foot pegs for the figure to hold his feet on. The hand grips are within reach. There's a really neat sculpted gauge down here, and then a little sticker here for like radar and stuff. The seat's kind of sculpted in like a sort of motorcycle seat kind of thing, which I guess makes sense because it's kind of like a flying motorcycle, I guess. But yeah, a lot of the time he just kind of sits on my shelf like this, and then he's holding his sword in the other hand because I don't really have a place for it outside of just in a box. I don't usually have the blast effect attached, and a lot of the times he's trying to climb up, but that is most of the way. That one or that one is how he usually looks when he's sitting on my shelf. And I'm trying to figure out what to do with the shelf. I'm starting to grow out of room for these as well. But I'll figure something out, and well, let me know what you think of the review. I didn't mean to kind of get off on a tangent there, but I would like to thank you. Again, I appreciate you coming to view my page. You all have a good night. Bye.